HP the Ghost here. What's good, baby? What's going on, y'all? You know I'm doing a segment. Tell me why you mad with your boy HP the Ghost. Know what I'm saying? So a young Joan hit me up. She was like, HP, why don't guys want to go out with me? So I thought about it for a second. Know what I mean? I was like, I don't know. What's wrong with you? She said, well, know what I mean? I've been with a couple dudes. I said, how many dudes is a couple? She told me 25. I said, God damn, 25. How old are you? She said, I'm only 19. I said, God damn, bitch, you got a lot of miles on you. You need a motherfucking oil change. So, know what I mean? I proceeded to tell her, know what I mean? You need to calm down. Look for that right one. Stop giving your cookies out like it's motherfucking free samples and shit. So, anybody else want to know, let me know why you mad. Let me know. Hit me up on my inbox. Hit me up on Facebook. Hit me up on my Twitter. I'm trying to figure out why y'all mad. Why am I mad? I ain't mad as shit. I love everybody. I love the world. What's good, y'all? HP the Ghost. HP the Ghost Show. Know what I'm saying? You ever had that one friend that talk hard as shit, talk all that tough shit, but when shit go down, that motherfucker is nowhere to be fucking found? Ladies, this happens a lot with y'all, but it happens with the fellas too. Got that one motherfucking friend, he run his motherfucking mouth, talk about, yeah, I fight all this bullshit, blah, blah, blah. Ain't nobody ever seen him fight, ain't nobody ever seen him slap box, but you a motherfucking knockout artist. Where the fuck you get these niggas from, man? These lame ass niggas, dog. But it be the niggas right next to you. Be the ones closest to you. That be, you know what I mean, talking that dumb shit. So the next time your mans be like, yo, I'll put in work, pull his motherfucking card. Cause he ain't put in no work. We ain't seen no time cards. We ain't seen nothing. He don't got a scratch on him or nothing. Hey, man. That's why I'm mad. This is for the ladies. Hey, yo, HP the Ghost, HP the Ghost Show. Ladies. How many of y'all like y'all pussy ate? All y'all. So now I mean, you don't be acting shy like, I only like to get ate on my birthday. Fuck that. You like to get your shit ate. Make sure you keep that shit shaved. That motherfucking talk about furry pussy and all that kind of shit. That's for the birds. This ain't 1973. Shave that motherfucking bush. All natural shit y'all hoes kicking and shit. HP the Ghost is not trying to hear none of that shit. I want a bald eagle down that motherfucker. I want to see straight skin, no hair bumps, no nothing. I'm gonna put spit shine on that motherfucking pussy. I want to see glaze on that pussy when I'm done with it. I want to be like, ooh, goddamn. If you put like a motherfucking sunlight down that thing, I want to see it shine on your face. My whole motherfucking mouth better be crazy. That's how I do it, man. I don't know if niggas do it like that, but I'm doing it big, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the bedroom right now. That's what I does. HP the Ghost, HP the Ghost Show. I'm shooting everything. I'm shooting live. I'm streaming. I'm out here. What? What's good, y'all? I'm about to start some new shit called H Code. Know what I mean? H Code is basically HP the Ghost Code. Shit that I would do, shit I stand by, shit I live by. You know what I'm saying? My first thing I want to talk about is when's the right time to shit in front of the person that you with. And I think to myself, hey, if y'all cool and y'all understand what's going on, I say take a shit as soon as possible. Get that shit out the window. Let motherfuckers feel comfortable around you. Let them be like, alright. Now if he come in there or she coming in there, that's some weirdo shit. Like if I just met you and you coming in while I'm shitting, I got some suspect shit to think about you. But like if you know what I'm saying, we down the line. I say about a month down the line and shit. I'm shitting in front of you. You stand outside the door. Now that's cool. 6 months later, bitch, you could come in so we could talk. Cause now, I mean, I don't know what it is about people shitting and motherfuckers want to come talk to you while you taking a shit, but I think that's my own relaxation time to do what I want to do. Cause my stomach's fucked up. I'm stinking. Know what I'm saying? The water hit my ass and shit. That's never cool. My dick, I gotta keep pulling out the water and shit. So, I mean, if you're a new couple, you know what I'm saying? Shit, but just not me, keep it separate. But once you down the line, and know what I'm saying, shit's been going good or going bad, go ahead, take a shit. She can talk to you, he can talk to you outside the door. Hopefully you don't smell too fucking bad. Cause I know y'all females, ooh, y'all be raunchy. Us niggas, we be stinking too though, so I ain't gonna be mad at y'all neither. But it's your boy HP the Ghost, man. H Code. This gonna be my new shit too, know what I mean? H Code, tell me why you mad. New segment. Holla at your boy.